Okay, here's my review of some stocks for February 7th, 2017. All I'm looking at right now is trends. So I'm just looking for any trends that I think are worth getting into. So we're going to start with the Euro USD. Always be starting with the hour chart. So as far as the moving averages, we're in good shape for a down trend. Nice distance here, a lot of distance here. However, this consolidation at the bottom here for most of today, by the looks of things, is not very indicative of a further strong down move. These last two red bars, there's just not enough meat in the candle here for me to be convinced. We take a look at the 4-hour chart. Looks much better in regards to the candles, but the downtrend, you can see on the 4-hour chart, we were actually in an uptrend. And if we pull out, we can see that uptrend. So this downtrend on the 4-hour chart is a much smaller part, but it's still good enough that we would get in if I had better signals here. And we also have a quick look at the 30-minute chart, and we're seeing something a little better, but still not enough meat there. So for this, again, we'll have to maybe wait till later tonight, and if I don't get anything stronger, then it'll have to wait till overnight. Then we look at the Euro Japanese yen. On the 1-hour chart, we see the very, very same story, very similar story. Good downtrends, but most of today has just been a very ranging, flat thing, although we do have 4 bars here, and we are seeing the meat of the candles getting slightly bigger. So this is a better trade, better possibility than the Euro USD for me. But let's have a quick look at the 4-hour. Let's pull back and see. Here you can see a very different story than the Euro USD. Just kind of up and down with a strong down over. So this is a much stronger downtrend. We'll have a quick look at the 30-minute chart. Again, we're not seeing a whole lot of difference here. You're getting a little bit of a candle here, which is telling us, well, we're not quite ready to jump into the downtrend. So back to the hour, and we're still waiting. So nothing yet. Pound dollar, this is no good for us. It was down, but it's had such a strong move today. It's taken this fast moving average and broken the medium moving average, which breaks my signals for the hour chart. 4-hour, again, a mess, nothing strong there. 30 minutes, still no good because the medium is below the slow moving and the fast is above both of them. So mixed messages. So we have no trade there either, at least not tonight. Dollar Swiss, this looks better in that we have 3 moving averages all moving in the same direction. Got some decent distance between them, but again, we've got this ranging action all day. Nothing much happening there. Quick look at the 4-hour chart. Works against us. The overall trend is down, but we've been at a reasonably strong up move on the 4-hour. 30 minutes, again, almost the same story as 1-hour. The moving averages are looking good for an uptrend, but we don't have a very strong signal here. And again, we trade off the hour chart anyway, so we're going to need more than one blue candle, and we're going to need certainly more than this meat on the candle here. So dollar yen, we've got a down move, and we've got the 3 candles kind of confirming that. So this could be a trade later tonight if this candle gives us some strength here. We'll have a quick look at the 4-hour. Pull back just to see. Strong downtrend, reasonably strong downtrend. That's good. Kind of confirms our 1-hour. And on our 30 minutes, well, it's a mixed bag. It doesn't really give us much help. So again here, let's zoom in a little. We are waiting to see what happens. We've got no trade right now, but possibly later tonight, but we'll have to see. Then we have the Swiss yen. Again, we got a nice downtrend. We got 3 candles, which is good. We just need a little more strength in the candles here, and this could be a trade tonight too. We'll take a quick look at the 4-hour. Again, we're okay. We've got the 3 moving averages in the right place. This is a strong move down. The candles look good. And in 30 minutes, yeah, we've got this little move up, but that, again, we don't use the 30 minutes that much, except maybe to try and get a bit of a retracement to get a good deal. But we go back to the 1 hour, and we're still waiting right here. But this is pretty close, too. And then finally, the pound yen. Again, we've got a down move, but we've had all day, we've had the pound coming back up, getting close, which doesn't look good for our short unless this thing rolls over here. 4 hours, same story really, strong move down, but we've got this going on, which prevents us from trading really at this point for this, because we would only go short when the moving averages are like this. And on a 30-minute, well, that tells us really nothing. It just tells us that we have no trade because, again, we only trade, in this case, short because the moving averages in general are all down. And if we go to the 4-hour and, again, pull out more, you can see what we're doing here. It's, again, kind of nothing major. Downward trend like some of the others, but this is a pretty good trend here. So this is probably a no trade tonight. We'll have to wait to see what happens in the morning. And that's my analysis for today.